welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to make something with seafood. So it's fish. So you know that fish, usually all seafood is rich in iodine, which is really good for your health. So we are going to make pan-seared with a salmon and lime butter. So this is going to be different because when you hear the name or the title of the food, it looks different. So it's going to taste different. So let's get into the video and see how we are going to make this pan with seared salmon with lime butter. So we have to take 4 skinless salmon and we have to add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, so you have to make sure the mixture is added for both sides of the fish. And then you have to keep it aside and start scraping lemon. We need the skin, so lemon skin. We have to add 4 tablespoons of butter. So we have to add them and we are going to fry the salmon fish. So you have to fry it on medium flame for 5 minutes. So once you feel it's done, you have to turn to the other side and cook it in a medium flame for 4 minutes. And then you have to add the 4 teaspoons of lemon zest. So the lemon skin which we scraped off. And it's time for us to squeeze 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make sure the mixture is mixed with the salmon fish. And then you have to separate it and take it to a plate. So it's all done. You can start having your salmon fish. So when we saw the video, it was so good. The making of pan-seared with salmon and lime butter was so good. So I'm so excited to taste it because I think rather than usual, it will taste different because we are having salmon and lime and butter. So this combination looks different. So do you want to try it at home? So yes, please try it at home and let us know how it turned out because we are so happy to hear from you. And drop your favorite dishes in our comment section. We are happy to make it for you in future. So see you on next video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. Bye bye.